What's going on, everybody? My name is a Halo player. Welcome back to another video. We're on Mount Tom once again, checking it out. This is actually part of the M&M Trail. If you don't know what that stands for, it's Metacomet and Monadnock Trail. It's a really long trail that connects all the way to Long Island Sound in New Hampshire. Very long. We've walked on this trail before, but not on this section. So, we're going to check this out, see if we can find anything cool. Mike's going to do a pose with Mava. And yeah, we're going to check this area out, and they're going to leave their water bottle on the ground.
I'll pick that up.
Yeah, in case our career doesn't work out on YouTube, I'm going to be the next male model. They're going to call me Flabio.
Yeah.
Fabio's fat cousin. I got the square jaw. I got a nasally voice and a flat butt, but, you know, who's keeping track?
You know, I didn't put the backpack on, but I have all this stuff right here.
Huh?
Look at.
Wow.
It's all in here. I got the rope,
You
the
gained
saw.
your weight back.
I got the rope, the saw. Look at, I even have the saw.
Nice.
You know?
Oh, you're right, told Steven.
What? Flat butt? I didn't hear what you said.
I said I'm gonna. If this doesn't work out with YouTube, I'm gonna become the next male model. I'm gonna be like Fabio, but they're gonna call me Flabio. Flabio.
More like Flabio.
We don't know where this is gonna go. It might be dumb. It might be awesome. But I do want to do that other trip over there. There's so much to do. Even the notch there. That's going to be exciting. Steven can saw cave online.
Pretty cool. How awesome would it be if we found a cave up here?
Come on.
Yeah.
Never been over here. This is all new stuff. It's exciting.
Maybe that cave could be the cave that Nate was talking about.
Let's go up there. Case we see the cave. Yeah, I see a cave right up there.
Where?
Right up there.
I don't see any caves.
Okay. I'll show you. I'll prove it. Which way are we going now? This way or that corny way?
Corny?
Yeah.
You're corny.
We're going slippy.
No, not this way here. Brooklyn, you see a cave? Any caves you see?
Yeah, I see one right over there.
Oh yeah?
It's right there.
Yeah, that does look like a cave, doesn't it?
Yeah, that looks like a cave.
Yeah. You see the people up there at the top?
Yeah, I see Jason.
That's not Jason. Dad.
I go this way.
Dad.
Yeah.
There might be something over here.
Okay.
Steven, look. A tree is attached to another tree.
Oh yeah? Where?
These two. Watch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up there. Chloe, I'm moving or not? Hello.
What's that?
It looks like just a shadow.
Does though. A little bit.
Be careful, right? Be
See it straight?
Just a shadow. I don't want to walk up anywhere.
How do you do that? Oh, okay.
Yeah, maybe tell you something now.
Yeah.
Well, I have an idea.
What?
I'm gonna start doing live streams where.
Oh, there you go. He's
So-
right there. Look up there.
So Steven, so when people watch your live stream,
Hold on, guys.
how much minutes go to your channel?
Oh wow, this is a
However long they watch it
good thing
for.
they cut it.
That's what I mean. And
Look at all those up there.
I watch a lot of G-Dash videos.
Yeah.
For some reason, a bunch of small YouTube channels who do G-Dash live streams come up on my page for no reason.
Yeah.
Video yet?
So
What did you
my
guys
idea
have to do
is,
with that?
We emptied it and we put it in the second one.
Oh, nice.
So that's going now.
So how long is that going to take?
7 days.
7 days, alright. I'll watch it when I get back. I just wanted to...
Yeah. So then on Friday, next Friday, we're going to empty it again.
You just upload that recently? Because I just noticed.
Yeah, on Friday.
Okay, I didn't even notice it until today.
you know what
Yesterday.
I'm gonna do?
You asked her where it led to, but... Hi. Hi.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Just checking on the baby. Funny. He loves it.
I'm fixing this tree. I'm putting this tree down and so I'm fixing
Brooklyn, no pulling trees. Remember last time you whipped Jason in the eye.
Hold on.
Do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
I'm just pushing this tree.
You know how they say don't leave home without your credit card?
Yeah.
Was it Discover or something?
I don't know.
Yeah, you should not leave home without brushing your teeth. Okay?
Yeah.
That's funny, yeah. You ever get, like musicians and they have a little cup that says, like, tips? You just grab a napkin and write something like, make sure you wait 20 minutes
Yeah.
to swim after you eat. It's a good tip.
Yeah. What's up? The map.
Maybe it'll show,
We came onto this road, guys.
This is an old access.
Oh, really?
Mike, this is an old access road.
Oh, really?
That's going that way. Hey, this is the road we pushed the kids up, I think, to go to the top.
And there's people coming right now.
That's
I
not close.
want to see what this says.
It was the other side, Dad.
Oh, I wonder if we were heading up.
You got another one?
Yeah, that's really cool.
Can I see?
It's pretty cool.
Can I see?
Don't lose it. I'm going to put it in my pocket.
I want to find a... You are ready to... You're going to
My name is Ethan.
Does it say Yellow Trail?
It's hard to say. Where's the thing that says you are here?
Yellow trail goes down here.
Here.
Oh, you are here. Right there.
Dun diddle. Dun diddle.
Looks like
I gotta
we
change the
came
batteries in the camera. So I'll pick it back up in a second, guys.
What does that say?
Alright, guys, we're gonna head back to the White Trail. And then we're gonna go up the White Trail. And there's probably a view up there, so you guys will be able to see something pretty cool. So I'm gonna stop filming for now because we've already been through here, so we're gonna make our way to the White Trail and then pick it up once again. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Alright guys, we made it back to the White Trail. And now we're heading up. And we're gonna check out what's cool over here. It's already cool already. See that rock things on the side?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Maybe they should set the pace.
What?
I said maybe they should set the pace for us.
Why?
Well, just so that we're not always going so far ahead.
I'm gonna go check out these rocks.
Sure.
Where? Pretty cool, guys. Which way?
That's really cool.
Alright guys, this looks really awesome.
Yeah, but that bottom is like...
Look at this, Ethan.
I don't want you to find out the hard way.
This is...
This is actually a pretty
Look
cool
at that.
trail.
Oh, that's cool.
That's like layered.
I think it does go to the peak too. This is just way better than trying to go to the...
Dad, I'm going to wait till everybody goes. I'm going to push the tree this way.
No, don't. Don't.
No, the bottom is almost broken. So
I know, but it's gonna ruin the trail. Don't.
If the top fell on top of you, you'll get impaled by one of those sticks.
I want to get into it.
It's cool to watch. Is it going to be cool to be dead or purple?
Yeah, it would be cool. Everybody will sign my wheelchair.
We're gonna continue up here, guys. See what we can find. Hopefully there'll be an awesome view for you guys to see. This camera takes really good pictures. So what I'll do is you'll probably see some still pictures throughout the video of some cool stuff that we find. And probably if there's a view up here, which there probably is going to be, you guys will see that as well. So if this gets too steep, I'm going to have to stop filming because it's really hard to film while walking up really something steep, which it looks like. Wow, yeah. Okay, I'm going to have to stop it. It gets wicked steep. Alright. So I'm going to stop filming, and then once I get to the top, I'll pick it back up for you guys. So I'll see you in a second. Not quite at the peak yet, guys, but man, whew, this is steep. Nice exercise. But I want to show you guys this awesome view so far. It's pretty awesome. So I'm going to get to the top of this real quick, meet up with them, and then I'll see where we're at. Alright guys, hopefully you like those pictures. Hey!
Stay with me, alright? Walk.
That's really cool, huh?
I mean, for that one,
One at a time.
Let me go first. Alright guys, what's up? So, before we left for the day, we made it back to the car, obviously. Before we left today, I wanted to come back to this quarry, because last time we were here, we got here really late, and I filmed at nighttime, and you guys couldn't really see, so we came here nice and early, so you guys can see it in the daytime. So I'm going to stop filming because this is really hard to get down, and I'll pick it up when I get down there. Right there on the right. That thing?
Yep.
And they were over there with flashlights last time. I was like, what is that?
that's what we thought was a crazy one.
Get a picture of you filming. That's fine. Hold on. Don't move.
Yeah, boy. So, if you guys have seen the thumbnail of Steven's last video, or the one when we went inside those abandoned buildings, this is we already took the thumbnail, you couldn't see anything because it was starting to get dark, and me and Nate were standing right next to that waterfall, and that's why you saw the light, because it was the water drip.
Yep.
So now we're at the quarry on Mountain Tom, and if you guys can see, it's really huge. I don't know, it could be like 800 feet tall. What do you think?
Guys, we might go on the top too.
That'd be awesome.
We can. There's people up there right now.
Yeah.
Brooklyn, what are you doing? Digging.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. Nice waterfall. I'm gonna take a couple still pictures. You guys will see those now. Alright guys, this is pretty awesome. We're making our way to the top. We don't got too much farther to go. And then I'll film down. But you guys can see way down right there, the tip of my finger. That's where we started. We were just down there. Okay. The edge is right here. So I'm gonna keep heading up. Just took a breath real quick because this is really steep, and what I'll do is I'll pick it up when I get to the top. So see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we made it to the top. This is where the waterfall starts. As you can see, I'm gonna make a better view, but I wanna go check this out with them. Man, that was steep. Oh wow. It's like a mountaintop swimming pool.
A couple feet deep. I don't know if you can see it with the glare, but that's really awesome.
That's cool, huh?
Hold on. Do we use a small rock so you can see how deep it is? See how deep that tunnel went down?
Yeah.
It's pretty deep.
It's like 4 feet deep.
It's really cool. I wonder if this like wall right here was built to hold it back a little bit.
Probably.
It doesn't collapse the quarry.
Yeah, it's really.
That's the quarry right there. That's the drop off. So this must actually contain some of the water. And it right over here, look, it's where it's overflowing. And that's where the waterfall's coming from.
Yeah.
Let me get a little closer to show this. Right up there. See, that's where the water's coming from.
Head back down, guys, so I can show you the view. Whew.
It's cool enough down there. And going over. Oh, I think that's where we're going to have to cross. To go around it, right there.
Where? Oh, I think this is far enough, right, Mike?
I wanted to go down the other side. Check it out. The view.
Okay. Well, let me get a nice film of this real quick. Let me film this real quick, Mike, and then I'll come. Yeah, hold on. That's where our car is, way down there, guys. Really awesome.
Yeah, use your film if you want to grab a hand up.
Well, I'll tell you the water again.
Yeah, throw that up.
This is good. I just make sure I don't slip here.
Yeah. Once you get here, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Just gotta
Do a little.
jump and I'll pull your arm up.
All right, ready?
As you jump, grab my arm.
Oh, this is nervous a little bit. All right, ready? There you go. Got it. Okay. That hurt my knee a little bit. Popped a little bit. Ooh. Oh yeah, true. Where's Ethan going?
Ethan, right here. There's a nice little view. I think you're gonna miss.
Oh, where's my water, Mike?
Oh, I got it. Here.
Oh. I thought you dropped it. Thank you. We gotta head back in a minute anyways. Oh, I'm gonna stand right here. real quick. No.
No.
We don't do that, Ethan. We're just going to chill right here for a second, and then we're going to head down. Alright. Yeah, we got to head down. Your phone's still on, by the way.
Filming?
No.
Oh, it's not filming though.
This is really cool, huh?
Yeah, I like it up here. That's why I'm going to kind of make Amanda wait.
Didn't we come up here before?
We did, yeah. We never filmed though.
Yeah.
My wife's in the car with the baby. The baby might be screaming. So.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, alright. I do love it.
What are you doing now?
Somebody hold on to me while I throw it.
Alright, hold on, Ethan. Hold on, Ethan.
I'm trying to hold this rope and throw it, but I don't know if there's anybody down there.
Yeah, I know. I don't think there is. Let me go over there and check. And if there isn't, give me a second. Let me go check.
Good view, and then I think there's something right there we could check out real quick.
What's that sign? Is that sign right there in the woods? Right, directly straight from right where I'm standing.
Yeah, when
National Wildlife something. Refuge. National Wildlife Refuge. That's what it is. Cool, huh?
Sometimes in film, it's really hard to see how steep things are.
Oh, I know. This camera does not do anything. I thought it'd be cool if Ethan does get that other phone. That'd be really cool, huh?
Yeah.
What?
I said if you get that phone, it'd be really cool for the video.
Yeah, 4K.
That'd be awesome.
iPhone actually?
Oh yeah, this is nice view.
Don't get too close, Ethan, please.
Yeah, we're still pretty high up.
Give you guys one more view here.
Nope, nobody's down there. I'm throwing. Okay? So get on.
Hold on.
You could do it here if you want.
Okay, hold on. Let me get you. All right, go.
I'm doing another one.
Can't really see it on camera, but it's fine.
Hold this.
Yeah, it's not as cool, I think.
Here, let me do it. I'm gonna whip it.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm like,
Just careful. Don't get too close.
This is with an iPhone. What are these bags do?
no, don't touch that!
Don't.
Why?
That's a battery. If you puncture that, it explodes.
Oh well.
Yeah, I've seen it on video.
Here, Ethan. I
Don't.
want to hold it, and then.
That's a lithium-ion battery. That if you poke that, that will flame up.
Isn't that battery still good?
It may have a little residual charge in it, but you never know. I'd be on the safe side.
Oh, cool. What's this? Another little spot.
Yeah.
Want to go inside that little mini house?
Yeah, that's the one we were looking at. All right, I think there's stairs. Once we go around, we'll see it.
I'm
Yeah.
recording.
I'm gonna see right here. Check it out. This is real steep right here.
Let's go down here.
We're good. Hold on, Ethan. We're gonna check this out over here real quick.
I would wing glide down this thing. I could afford wing glide. I'll do wing gliding down this all day. Can you hear me, Dad? If you could afford wing glides, I'll do wing gliding down this all day.
Oh, wing glide.
Hang glider right off that. That'd be cool. I wonder if that's actually big enough for people to do what do they call that when they parachute from like short distances?
Oh yeah, I don't know what it's called. Parasail or something like that? I don't know. Where's that rope that we just saw, remember? It's probably down here further.
This is really beautiful here.
It's awesome. Alright, let's go. I don't want to make them wait too long. Alright guys, So that's going to be it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Leave a like if you did. Please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Alright, see you later, guys.